Most of you might have something like this, which is a lot smaller, but that can work as well in the same way. And small strokes under the eye, much more gentle, is what works under the eye. What do you recommend for dry skin? For dry skin, I would recommend the Build range from Akind. So the Clean Slate Cleanser, it's very hydrating. It doesn't make your skin feel like it's absolutely stripped of its oils. Sometimes you use a face wash and it can just feel like you use detergent on your face and it's just like completely sapped of hydration and moisture. Clean Slate is actually helping you build your skin barrier because it's again loaded with ceramides, glycolic acid. Then you would use the On Cloud 9 moisturizer and go in with the Sleep Tight serum at night. This one has retinol, so I would recommend that you only use this at night. And depending on your concern, you can use either of these two serums, Bright Idea or Get Even, during the day. They are water-based formulas. They are intensely hydrating. So whether you have dry skin or oily skin, it works really well for you, because when we were designing Akind, we wanted it to be suitable for all skin types, so you don't have questions like this. All of you can use it. So because it's very lightweight, it works, and it's water-based, it works for those who have oily or combination skin. But because it's extremely hydrating and it has hyaluronic acid, it works for dry skin as well. Maria, do we need face oil or cream works? I like using cream because I feel like oil can be very thick, especially in this weather, and it clogs my skin. So that's why I like using the Akind On Cloud 9 moisturizer. Okay. Hi guys. What to use? Can I purchase it from Canada? So Akind is available on Tira, exclusively on Tira in India. Some of you are telling me the child is shooting right in front of you. Can we combine niacinamide and vitamin C and sunscreen together? The thing with combining ingredients is that you have to do it in the right proportion. So Bright Idea actually has vitamin C and niacinamide, and then I would go in with the No Shade Sunscreen Primer. So sometimes it's about finding the right combination of ingredients. If you were to use AHAs and retinol, it's going to wreak havoc on your skin, and by that I mean it's going to destroy your skin barrier. Just like that, if you use a super strong acid in isolation, on one day it could work very well for exfoliating your skin, but if you use it every single day, again it's going to destroy your skin barrier, and then everything else that you use is only going to make your skin more and more sensitive. So if you're looking for vitamin C and niacinamide, I'd recommend Bright Idea. Sahil, what do you recommend for acne scars? So for acne scars, again, I would go in for Bright Idea. That's what I'm using right now because I have a couple of acne scars over here. Because it's got vitamin C and niacinamide and resorcinol. So along with working on decreasing the pigmentation, it's also speeding up the process of the scar being formed, and so that you can exfoliate it with an acid. And if you don't want them to set in and get darker, I would recommend that you use the sunscreen. Tanya, do you only use your brand products? Of course. I mean, I try out a lot of other products to see what's new out there, but my routine consists of Akind. I've been using it for the last 7 or 8 months now. because we've been getting before it launched, we were getting the products. I wanted to try it out on myself for 3 months before we launched, so that I know that it works for everyone. And while we had a lot of other people try out the products, I didn't want to put something out there that I haven't tried out myself. Sehaj, is your sunscreen best for teenagers? You know, the number of teenagers who have bought the stick with it sunscreen stick is not even funny, because it's so easy to use. It's a twist up. You can carry it in your bag on your way for, sports classes or coaching. It glides on very easily. There's no white cast. You can use it everywhere super fast. Teenagers actually love it. So many of them use it when they're going for tennis or football. Boys and girls both. Ahana, have you used benzoyl peroxide? When I had a really bad bout of acne, I think I was like 17 or 18, they had put me on benzoyl peroxide and it dried out my face so much that I have never used it ever since. Asking you so many times, please share the gua sha link. My friend gave it to me. I don't have a link. If I would, I would have definitely told you, but I'll ask her for the link and I'll share it with you for sure. पिंपल्स के लिए क्या करें? आप अपने खाने को देखिए, आपके खाने में कुछ है जो आपके पिंपल्स को एग्रीवेट कर रहा है. ज्यादा गरम, मिर्ची, खट्टा, कभी कभी वो आपके पिंपल्स को एग्रीवेट कर सकता है. अगर आपका पीरियड साइकिल ठीक नहीं है या आप ज्यादा चीनी, मीठा, दूध ये सब खा रहे हैं तो आप PCOS रिलेटेड आपको शायद एक्ने हो रहा है. लेकिन अगर ये चीजें नहीं है और आपको एक्ने को टैकल डेफिनेटली करना है तो आप बाउंस बैक टोनर यूज करिए, बिकॉज दैट्स गोइंग टू रियली हेल्प इन एक्सफोलिएटिंग योर फेस. आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप डॉक्टर के पास जाइए पता करने के लिए कि किस टाइप का एक्ने है. कभी कभी इतना बुरा हो जाता है कि आपको एंटीबायोटिक क्रीम यूज करना पड़ता है. मैंने भी किया है, क्योंकि कुछ भी करो वो इट्स नॉट गोइंग. सो डॉक्टर को मिलके अगर आप पता करेंगे कि किस टाइप का एक्ने है तो उसी हिसाब से आप उसको टैकल कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज एक्ने इज I think it sits on the borderline of a medical condition and it's important to get a dermatologist to help you. But at the same time, I think it's really important to reflect on your diet. I have combination skin. Please tell me the best sunscreen and glowing night cream. I don't have a night cream. I use the On Cloud Night Moisturizer day and night. For the benefits of repair and rejuvenation, I would add the Sleep Tight serum before I use my moisturizer. Because I feel that retinol is something in the right dose can work for you, and the wrong dose is your biggest enemy. Please suggest for dry skin with acne along with dull skin in my late 20s. Madhu. Dry skin with acne. Sometimes my dermatologist told me this. If you're stripping your skin too much of moisture and hydration, your skin gets overactive in producing oil. And when you have that oil in your pores or the sebum in your pores, bacteria loves that. So it sits there, multiplies, and that's when you get acne. So it's about keeping your skin in a very balanced state. So a lightweight moisturizer like the On Cloud Night Moisturizer is going to be really helpful for you, because it's suitable for dry skin, because it's very hydrating, but it's lightweight, so it works even for oily skin. And it's extremely neutral. It's got these nourishing ingredients like ceramides and peptides, which work on building the integrity of the skin so that external factors are not making your skin more sensitive. When it comes to the acne, like I said, reflect on your diet and meet a dermatologist. Oh gosh, there are so many questions. I love that you guys are asking me so many questions. Please do DM me anytime. I respond to all of your direct messages. How do we use retinol? Best used at night. Just take a couple of pumps in your hand, like that. See, it's extremely lightweight. It just glides off your hand. After you've washed your face, tap it all over your skin. I'm not putting it because I've already put moisturizer. Tap it all over your skin. Go in with a generous amount of cream, the moisturizer, and you're set. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick session of face massage with Akain on Cloud9 Moisturizer and me. And if you have any other questions, feel free to send them across. I see a lot of you guys putting up stories using the Akain products, and I'd love to know your feedback. We have so many men using Akain and so many kids using Akain, like teenagers, and I think that was the idea behind creating this brand, that everybody can use it regardless of gender or skin type. And what I've seen when so many people come to me with, asking me for suggestions on a routine based on their concerns or their skin type, it's the same 9 products used in different combinations that can work for so many different people. It's like Lego. If you guys have used Lego, there are all these different pieces and you can build them into your own unique little figure. So just like that, you take products that work for you, like you can use the Fresh Start Cleanser, you can use the Bounce Back Toner, then you can use Bright Idea as your serum, then go in with On Cloud9, and then No Shade Sunscreen. So based on your concern, you can build your own routine, and if you feel like, okay, I've tackled this concern, you can switch out the serum and go and use another one. I like a lot of these questions, but I'm going to have to head back now because it's story time. And I have to tell a story to my kids because Shah is on doing a night shoot, so it's my turn to tell them a story. Okay, last question. Farheen, I have used vitamin C and it doesn't suit me. Vitamin C doesn't suit a lot of people, especially those who have acne-prone skin. It can actually aggravate their acne. So in that case, for hyperpigmentation, use Get Even. Use a serum that contains AHAs because they do help in exfoliating the skin, lightening the marks. You can use niacinamide, you can use alpha-arbutin, you can use prescription grade azelaic acid, which comes in a little tube from the chemist. Lots of different ways to use vitamin C. Vitamin C also doesn't come in just one form. There is ascorbic acid, but there's also tetrahexyl ascorbate. So they are all different molecules. One might suit you and the other might not. So experiment and see which one's working for you. Have you done permanent eyebrows? No. These are my real eyebrows. Okay guys, thank you so much. I look forward to answering your DMs, doing this again another time. I guess maybe next Saturday. Maybe I'll do another massage routine with you guys, or like a nighttime routine, or maybe just share with me in the direct message what you'd like me to do. A particular routine, a particular subject, because I love chatting with you. I read your DMs every single day, and I hope you have a good weekend and a happy Sunday, and I will chat with you all very soon. Remember to listen to your skin because your skin is telling you exactly what it needs. Bye.